Today I'm going to show you how to build a very inexpensive chicken feeder. It's the one we use here at the Rabbit Eggs Ranch. It's not only inexpensive, but it's going to save you money from reduced waste in chicken feed. So check this out. Okay, this is really all you're going to need. These are paint mixing cups. Now you can buy those at a paint store. They might even give you some. So they could be as low as free. I use Gorilla Glue. That's just a super glue. Any kind of super glue would work, preferably the gel type. Now this is a utility knife with a hook blade on it. This is what I prefer to use. It's easy to control the cutting of the plastic. Anything you can use that will cut the plastic, you'll be okay. You'll need something to mark the holes with when you're doing this. And of course, any kind of 5-gallon bucket, you can also get these for free. It could be larger than 5 gallons or smaller than 5 gallons, just a plastic bucket. You know, I got this one at Lowe's. You can get one. You can get them at Home Depot. You can get them just about anywhere. If you know somebody that cleans pools for a living, they're going to have plenty of these because they put pool chemicals in there. Just make sure you clean it out really well. All right, let's go to the process here. Okay, you can use 1, 2, 3 of these. It doesn't really matter. But what you want to do is remove the part that I've got lined off there with the X on it. You want to remove that so you end up with something like this. Okay, next step. Okay, now you want to mark the hole on the bucket. This is where the hole that you've already cut in the paint mixing cup comes in handy. You can just reach through there with a marker and outline the inside diameter of the cup. Next step. Okay, now you want to use your cutting tool of choice. In my case, this hook blade. You want to cut on the outside of the line you just drew. You want everything with ink on it to, basically everything with ink on it, to disappear because it was inside the cup. Okay, now you're ready to insert the paint mixing cup. You want the open end down to the bottom side of the bucket. Insert it into the hole. Press it down. These paint mixing cups have a ridge here, a lip, that's going to stop on the edge of the 5-gallon bucket. So this is what you're going to see on the outside. This is what the chicken's going to see. He's going to see feed because you're going to fill it full of food, and he'll be able to put his head in there. You can peck, but not sling. When they go in there and start moving their head back and forth to pick out certain parts of the grain, they're not going to be able to, because the cup's going to keep it from doing that. So this, and you want to put this on a brick, elevate it up to about the level of the back of the chicken, to where their back is about this level, so they don't have to reach down low to get the feed. Now you want to reach inside the inside here and secure that with a few drops of super glue, and you're basically done after the glue dries. Thanks for watching. Okay, now I know that some of you may have seen the other designs on YouTube there, on the internet or wherever else, using the 3-inch PVC pipe that's been modified for the same purpose. I'm going to tell you, that may work for some birds, but my birds are particular, and they won't stick their head in there. Even if I put feed right here, that's all they're going to eat. It may be piled up at the top, but they're not going to eat it. Okay, so we had to go with a bigger hole. I mean, this thing it's quite a bit larger than the old design. You can actually, you know, see there's a lot of extra room there. So these are more accepted. There's a shorter distance to actually get to the food, plus the larger diameter hole. Hey, give it a shot. If your chickens are like mine and they're reluctant to use the PVC, try the cups. They're cheaper.